All right, good morning, everyone. Wanted to try something a little different. We're going, I have a couple jobs today, not a busy day, and not a super lucrative day either. And that is where I want to discuss something with you guys. And that is, when do you fire your customers? You know, when you start off detailing, like when I first started, I was cheap, right? Just to get people in the door. And if people would ask for a discount, I would give it to them because I was scared, right? I had that mentality of not enough, scarcity mentality. Meaning that if someone called for a job, I wanted that job. I didn't want to lose it, so if they asked for a discount, I'm like, yeah, sure. Now I'm at the point where if you don't want to book, no worries. I got plenty of work, and if I don't have anything scheduled, I've done the work on my end to all my marketing, things like that, to be able to get jobs. So if you don't book, I know someone else is gonna book, and I'm not worried about it. So today, my first appointment, I'm going to a customer that I've had for a very, very long time, and I charge very, very little. He just gets washes done, just exterior washes. There's 3 vehicles, so that's why it's okay. It's worth going over there. But I charge way too little, guys. I don't even want to tell you what I charge for him because it's so little. But let's be honest here. I'll tell you. He's got a truck. I charge him 45 bucks. And then he has a small Volkswagen Tiguan and a Volkswagen Jetta or Passat, whatever it is. And I charge him 35 each for those. So what is that? 45, 75, 105 bucks. I'm usually there about 2 hours. So I'm averaging 50 bucks an hour, and plus travel time, plus materials, all that kind of stuff. Now, at the same time, like if I book a normal detail now, I average about $100 per hour. So obviously, working for him, I'm losing money technically. When do you fire your customer? It's up to you, right? It's a super hard thing to decide. This customer has kind of become a friend. He's a super great guy. We are friends. We don't hang out outside of this, but we're friends. And he has done bigger services. When he got his new truck, he got it ceramic coated, so that was a bigger bill. As you guys know, I'm trying to hire somebody else. If I hire somebody, I can have them start doing him, or at least go help me, and then I take it as a wash. He's referred customers to me. He's booked bigger jobs. So with him, even though he's paying a smaller amount, I look at it as a marketing expense because he does refer a lot of work out to me, which I really appreciate. He's a great guy, and that's pretty much where we're at with it. So again, guys, when do you fire your customer? It's up to you. It's a hard thing to decide, but you got to look at it from all avenues, right? Not just your hourly rate that you're getting from them, because that might not equal a very good amount of money, but look at the whole picture. Look at your lifetime value of that customer, and then make your decision based on that. I have fired customers in the past that just don't make sense. You know, where I'm essentially, it's a similar situation where I'm losing money technically. But with him, he's a great guy. We always talk about surfing. He's got a great family, and so I keep him on. So we are headed there today to go do his cars, and then we have one more basic wash and wax after that. So a pretty light day, and then my daughter has a mock meet for her gymnastics. It's her first one, so I want to make sure I'm there for her this afternoon to do that. So we're on our way, guys. We're gonna head out, do this first job. I'll set you guys up when I get there and do like a time-lapse video, and we'll touch base after that.
first job is done, and we are on to the second one. Again, guys, the job took a little bit longer. We always talk and have a good time hanging out with that customer. Like I said, he's become a friend. So again, when you fire your customers, it's up to you, but I don't like to fire my friends in that sense. So he'll stick around. He's a great guy, a great customer. On to the next one. Now we have a basic wash and wax on a Tesla Model 3. So we're gonna head up north. It's about a 20-minute drive to the next appointment. So we're gonna head up that way. That's another thing, guys, when you're doing your pricing, you wanna factor in your travel time. As a mobile detail setup, you do have to factor in the cost of gas and also the cost of your time when you're going to do the secondary, or when you're traveling to do a job. So I don't like to charge, I like to be all-inclusive with my pricing. I don't like to charge, you know, my flat rate and then go, oh, and then we also charge $15 for travel fee or whatever else. I just base it into my pricing. When I do my pricing, I think about how long the actual job takes, my typical travel time, and then I base it off that. So again, I like to, actual work time, I like to bill it out at about 100 an hour. So with travel time, say 20 minutes each way, it drops it down a little bit, but I'm okay with that. I'm happy, it keeps my customers happy. I'm not the most expensive detailer in town, but we stay very, very, very busy because of it. So you want to actually sort out your pricing there too. Make sure you're not overcharging, so you're not, where you'd be limiting your customer base, but you definitely don't want to be undercharging, because then, you know, you're taking away from yourself. You got to know what your value is and know where your pricing should be. So anyways, guys, we're gonna head up north and check out the next job. Guys, I'm sorry. I just I blew it. I set up that, I filmed all that stuff driving to the appointment. I set up the camera, I never hit record. So here's a quick video of the after of the vehicle. It's a Tesla Model 3, but that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. I just wanted to, you know, say thanks. Let me know what you think about this type of a video where I'm actually out doing work. If you guys want more of that, let me know. And but yeah, that's it, guys. Make sure to like the video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.